So it's the next morning and I packed all my stuff up. I'm ready to go. Definitely not staying another night here because this place is a total ripoff. The freaking guy wants to charge me like 70 lari for like a dorm style bed. And he's like, well, you have a whole room to yourself, a whole room to yourself, 70 lari. To put that into context, a dorm bed in Tbilisi, in the capital, is like 10 lari. So this is 7 times the price. And you only get a shower in your room. If you want to use the bathroom, you have to go all the way down the hall. And it's just a regular like squat toilet, which I don't really have a problem with. It's just the fact that it's a shared bathroom for 70 lari. This is in the middle of nowhere, so I don't want to support this dude anymore. And then when I go to check out, the maid comes into my room and I point down to a little bag of garbage that I put into a grocery bag, and I say, yeah, this is just garbage, I don't know what to do with it. And she goes, oh, the reka, the river. I'm like, what? She's like, just throw it in the river. I'm like, I'm not gonna do that. And she just picks up all the garbage, goes up to the balcony and just tosses it out into the river over there. Oh, and guess where I'm going now? Just a little town called Tbilisi, Georgia. So my microphone adapter already shipped, so it's on its way to Armenia. I can't change the shipping address. Armenia can't ship to Azerbaijan because they're in conflict right now. So the only place they can ship it to is Tbilisi. So I'm cycling 60 kilometers back to Tbilisi. I'll have to wait a week for that adapter to come in, and then I can head to Azerbaijan. So this will be the 3rd time that I'm going to Tbilisi now, which is ridiculous. I don't think I'm ever gonna leave this city. I should probably just apply for citizenship and get a job in Tbilisi at this point. Yeah, I'm just going along for the ride, but it has been a pretty bumpy ride, don't get me wrong. Also, I smashed my phone yesterday, so now I gotta go pay to get this fixed too. Okay, well, that only cost me $30 US in about 20 minutes.
How much?
Сколько стоит?
Тебе не нужно садить.
Ты не выглядишь, как
Спасибо. Мадроба.
Диди Мадроба.
Диди Мадроба. I definitely don't miss not being able to drink in public. You guys are from Azerbaijan, so Sharafat?
Sharafat.
Sharafat. Cool. Cheers. Cheers. You're just self-conscious because like you led us the wrong way and now you're trying to make it sound like it's my fault. Motherfucker. We were taking the train back to our hostel and then kind of fell asleep. So now we're 3 stops behind. It's a 30-minute walk. 30-minute walk. I just told the owner of the hostel here that I got ripped off on this haircut, so he's like, come on, we're gonna go. So we're gonna hop in his car and drive over to the barber shop and I guess get some of my money back.